What if, right now, Earth suddenly stopped spinning? No warning, no countdown. Just a moment where everything you know about day, night, weather, and gravity changes forever. Humanity would face events more devastating than any disaster in history. Let's explore what would happen, from the first second to the final consequence. As soon as Earth stops rotating, everything on the surface keeps moving at 1,600 kilometers per hour. The speed Earth spins at the equator. That means cars, buildings, trees, oceans, even people, would be thrown sideways with unimaginable force. Anything not anchored deep into the ground would be launched into the air and smashed across the landscape. The oceans would spill out of their basins, creating mega-tsunamis taller than skyscrapers, crashing across entire continents. Human civilization would be thrown into chaos. But that's only minute one. With Earth no longer spinning, day and night would freeze in place. One side of the planet would face the sun permanently, a world of endless burning daylight. The other side would fall into eternal freezing darkness, colder than Antarctica. On the sunlight side, oceans boil, lakes evaporate, cities turn into deserts. On the dark side, oceans freeze solid temperatures, drop far below survivable levels. Life becomes impossible. Only a thin boundary between day and night, the twilight zone, could still support humans. But survival there wouldn't be easy. With no rotation, Earth's shape would change. Right now, Earth bulges at the equator because of spin. Without it, water would rush toward the poles, creating new continents around the equator and massive oceans near the poles. But the real danger comes from the atmosphere. Gigantic windstorms, faster than any hurricane recorded, would sweep the planet for months. As the atmosphere adjusts to the new rotationless Earth, dust, sand, and debris fill the sky, blocking sunlight. Breathing becomes difficult. Agriculture collapses. Life as we know it would be pushed to the edge. Survival would depend on one thing: the twilight zone. This narrow strip between scorching heat and eternal ice becomes the only region where temperatures allow liquid water. Humans would build enormous cities along the border between light and dark, massive colonies stretching around the entire planet. These cities would rely on artificial light underground, farming-controlled climate domes, wind and geothermal energy. Nations would disappear. Humanity would unite out of necessity, or fight over the last habitable land. Earth would become a half-burning, half-frozen world, with a thin ring of life in the middle. So, what if Earth stopped spinning? Civilization would be shattered, continents reshaped, and only a sliver of the planet would remain alive. Earth wouldn't end, but it would never be the same.